What flour to use when? If you're a recent baker, you may not understand the fact that medium bread flour, which is 11.5 to 13% protein, is a medium bread flour. A strong flour is 13.5 to 15% protein. Now, this is the issue. If you want a hard crust or a harder crust on a loaf of bread, you want to use medium bread flour. Many people think that the strong or the higher protein flour would be the one to use. But actually, what happens is high protein flour, as we call it, has a greater ability to absorb moisture. Medium bread flour cannot absorb as much moisture as the strong flour. Consequently, if you want a thick crust, you want a medium bread flour. Softer crust, you want a strong flour. In other words, if you're making the most delicate brioche, you want a strong flour because you want what we call almost no crust whatsoever on something as tender as a brioche. But if you want a good sourdough or a good strong crust, make sure you're using a lower protein flour.